You won't believe your eyes when you see this. It may sound like a joke, but it's true. Tomatoes react incredibly well when you give them this natural mixture. In just a few days, the plants become stronger, the leaves greener, and the fruits show amazing progress. But what exactly are we talking about? Before we reveal this favorite gardener's secret, tell us in the comments, do you grow tomatoes? And if so, where, in the garden or in pots? We love reading your experiences and tips, and we'd truly appreciate it if you like this video as a sign of support and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for that. Why is it important to feed tomatoes regularly? Tomatoes are one of the most demanding plants in the garden. To produce abundant and flavorful fruits, they need proper and regular nutrition. Without enough nutrients, the plants may grow slowly, become vulnerable to disease, and produce small, tasteless fruits. But today, we're not talking about expensive chemical fertilizers. Today, we're sharing a completely natural and powerful concentrate that experienced gardeners have used for years but rarely speak about. Imagine something that strengthens the roots, nourishes the leaves, improves fruit quality, and even helps protect against pests. And the best part, it comes straight from your kitchen. Wondering what it is? A natural herbal tea for tomatoes, an incredible blend of green tea and bay leaves. Here's the recipe for the powerful concentrate. Take 1 liter of boiling water, add 2 bags of green tea, drop in 3 to 5 bay leaves. Let it steep until it cools down, then strain and dilute with 3 more liters of water. Water your tomatoes with this solution once a week, directly at the base of the plant, or pour about 200 milliliters of this liquid into the hole before planting your tomato. Green tea is full of antioxidants and natural minerals that nourish the plant, while bay leaves have antibacterial properties and help boost the tomato's resistance. Have you ever tried this kind of fertilizer? Let us know in the comments and share your results. And don't forget, share this video with your friends and on social media. Let everyone discover this natural secret power for tomatoes.